Question 1.4 is a bit of a weird one. So we've got prove that RS equals this thing, and we've been given these two equations. So if they say prove that, it means that you're only allowed to work with one side of the equation. So it's normally the more complicated side you go for. So I'm going to grab the right hand side of this equation. And I've got an equation for A, an equation for B, so I'm just going to sub them into A and B. Just remember to use brackets when you do sub them in. Alright, the square means I multiply it by itself, so I'm going to write the bracket twice to set myself up for foiling. Alright, let's get the painstaking task of foiling out the way. Once you have foiled, just remember to keep this oak in a bracket because we're going to have to distribute this minus, and that's exactly what we're going to do next. Once that's out the way, we're going to see some magic happen here. When we do the like terms, most of them are going to cancel. So r squared cancels with this r squared because they're opposite signs, and the same thing happens with the 4s squareds. They will cancel with one another. And then these two are like terms because they've got the same variables with the same powers. 4rs plus 4rs will give us 8rs. And then these 8s cancel with one another, leaving us with just rs, which is what is on the left hand side. So our job is done once we've completed that. And your 4 marks will come from the correct substitution, expanding that using FOIL, as well as simplifying that to get the final answer.